This is the original LCD. We always use original LCDs from Samsung's. You can see the name, the serial number and everything. This is for Z5 Flip, Samsung's. You see, says here as well. It's original Samsung's, and if his seal is open, please do not buy it or whatever it is. So I'm gonna open it up and show it to you. This is the phone we're working on that I'm gonna install it in. It's a customer's phone. I'm halfway through it. So just wanted to show it to all our customers so they know. Okay, leave that alone. So open up the packaging. Let me move out a bit. Move this. This is how it comes. This is like the serial number and information from Samsung. Also, so this is nice. They send it in a casing so it doesn't fold automatically or get damaged. And it has sticker all around it. So this is a brand new screen. Samsung's Flip, Z5 Flip. Original Samsung.